we will discuss about the word problems of HCF and LCM. Word problems of HCF and LCM. Okay, in this one, first of all, we know that when we have to find out the maximum value, maximum, greatest, biggest, and largest value, largest, highest values, then we will find LCM, HCF. Then we will find HCF. Okay, and when we have to find the minimum, smallest, lowest values, then we will find LCM. And when we find out to repetition, then also we will find LCM. Okay, repetition, like if they meet at this time, then again when they will meet at afterward time they will meet, like this type of questions. In these type of questions we will find LCM. Okay, now first of all we will discuss some problems based on this one. Our first question is 210 green, 252 red and 294 orange balls are equally distributed among some students so that no ball is left. What is the biggest possible number of the students who got the balls? Means in which we saw there is a biggest possible. Then what we will find out? We will find out HCF. Okay, for finding HCF we will use long division method. We will find the HCF of 210, 252 and 294. Okay, now thus we will divide 200. First we will divide 252 divided by, space is not there, we will do here 252 divided by 210. Then this is 1, 210, this is 42. When we divide 210 by 42, then we multiply 42 by 5, we will get 210. HCF of these two number is 42. Now what we will do, we will check is 294 is divisible by 42 or not. Means we will divide 294 by 42, and when we multiply it by 7 we will get 294 and your answer is 42. Okay, now our second question is Soumya has 12 sandwiches and 15 cookies. She wants to pick them to make identical refreshment boxes. Which is the greatest number? Yes, here is also greatest number. Then we will find out the HCF. Okay, HCF of 12 and 15. HCF of 12 and 15. 15 is inside, 12 is outside, 12 ones are 12. We will subtract this. 3, here is 12. 3 fours are 12, and your answer is 3. Means 3 number of boxes that she can pack. Now question number 3. A bus service center has 2 feed services that starts together at AM. Bus A leaves at 15 minutes interval while bus B leaves at 40 minutes interval. On a particular day, how many times do both leave together? Means in which we will find out, there is repetition, that's why we will find out LCM. LCM of, we will find the LCM of 15 and 20. We will use long division method for that. 15 will not divide by 2, that's why we will write 15 as it is and divide 20. Again we will write 15 as it is, 2 5s are 10. Then we will divide both by 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, then 3 1s are 3 and 1. Now we will multiply this by 2, multiply 2, multiply 5, multiply 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 23s are 60 minutes. Means after each hour, after 16 minutes they will meet. And 8 AM to 11 AM means 60 minutes means 1 hour, and every after 1 hour they will meet. And 8 AM to 11 AM they 3 times both services leave together, 3 times. Okay, now there is one more question. Okay, now I think this is sufficient examples for you, and now you know how to do these questions. Okay, if you have any doubts you can ask me. Okay.